over a year ago, I did Plasti-Dip on all my emblems. Well, today I'm gonna redo the Z71 because I had some peeling issues. This part right here flaked off on me, so I peeled the rest of it off. I've got it all taped up, ready to go, so let's go through the steps. You first wanna grab alcohol and Q-tips, clean all around the emblem. I've already done that, so now let's get to spraying. The first coat just needs to lightly be sprayed on. You wanna make sure you spray all of this, that way it's easier to peel off. Now we wanna let that dry for 30 minutes and then spray the second coat. That's our third coat. So the back of the can says do 3 to 4 on average, but I'm gonna do 5 coats today. I wanna make sure I coat this very well and it doesn't come back off, hopefully. So far it's turning out pretty well, so I'll wait that 30 minutes for the fourth coat. We're all wrapped up here. I've got all 5 coats on. I'm gonna wait about 4 hours and then I'm gonna peel everything off and we'll see how it turns out. Well guys, we're back to the black emblems with the Plasti-Dip. This is a really easy process. Just make sure you give yourself half a day for all the coats. Well, I appreciate y'all watching this. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so. Until next time, see y'all.